Hello students, this is Prince Gupta. I hope you all doing very well at your home. So today I'm gonna explain a very interesting chapter of your book named Unforgettable Indian Tragedies. So I give you a brief information about some deadliest Indian tragedies. Let's begin with our first slide. So first slide tells us about the 2001 Gujarat earthquake, also known as the Bhuj earthquake. The Gujarat earthquakes occurred on 26 January on India's 52nd Republic Day. The interplate earthquake reached 7.7 on the moment magnitude scale. The earthquake killed between 30,805 and 20,023 people and destroyed nearly 340,000 buildings. The 2008 Mumbai attacks. 11 years ago, on the night of November 26, 2008, 10 Pakistan-based terrorists launched a coordinated shooting and bombing attacks in Mumbai at 5 major locations, killing 166 people and injuring over 300 people. The terrorists targeted 5 prominent places of the financial capital: Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus Railway Station, Kama Hospital, Nariman House Business and Residential Complex, Leopold Cafe, Taj Hotel and Tower, and the Oberoi Trident Hotel. Ajmal Kasab disclosed that the attackers were members of the Lashkar-e-Taiba among others. Cyclonic storm Phyllis. It was the most intense tropical cyclone to make landfall in India since the 1999 Odisha cyclone. It moved westwards within an area of low to moderate vertical wind shear before, as it passed over the Malay Peninsula, it moved out of the western Pacific Basin on October 6. It emerged into the Andaman Sea during the next day. The cyclone provoked India's biggest evacuation in 23 years, with more than 550,000 people moved up from the coastline in Odisha and Andhra Pradesh to safer places. India and Pakistan floods. The Jammu and Kashmir state and adjoining areas received heavy rainfall from 2 September 2014 onwards. During the last stage of monsoon in India, this triggered flooding and landslides in India and the adjoining areas of Pakistan. On 5th September, the Jhelum River in Srinagar was reported to be flowing at 22.40 feet. These rivers flooded into the streets, causing heavy casualties and loss of property. Kerala floods. Kerala received heavy monsoon rainfall, which was about 116% more than the usual rainfall in Kerala on the mid-evening of 15 August 2018, resulting in dams filling to their maximum capacities in the first 48 hours of rainfall. For the first time in the state's history, 35 of its 54 dams has been opened. In our last slide, here are some precautions to keep you and your family safe during a natural disaster. These preparedness safety tips can prevent injuries and make the difference in an emergency. For any query, please contact me on below given numbers. Thank you.